Hi there everyone, my name is Pritam and I welcome you all to this channel. In this quick video, I will be talking with you about how you can download and install font inside Windows. If you are new to Windows and want to know how to do it, then let me quickly show you how you can. For that, you should have font file. Now, if you already have, then you can skip this video to the highlighted section. Else, then keep watching this video because I will quickly show you how you can download it. Now here in google.com I will be typing my favorite font, which is Montserrat. So here I am trying to download it, and most of the font actually you will get from Google itself, or you have your own particular favorite site, you can download it from there as well. In this example I will download it from Google. Now I will click here. After that, here you can see the preview of your favorite font, and here you can adjust it and have a look on preview. Now you need to click here on download family and click on download. So here we can see how easy it was to download it. Now what I will do, I will cut this folder from here and I will paste it here, and then I will show you after I extract it. Let me quickly extract it. Now here I can see after extraction, if I click on it, here inside this static folder, I can see all the style of Montserrat is now available. Now let's say I want to install a particular style. Now in that scenario, I just need to make a double click, for example like this, and need to click on install. In this way, I can easily install the font. But let's say you have to install a bunch of font. For example, here we have got 18 font. So I would prefer to install it in a single go. In such scenario, what we can do, we can simply select all and then make a right click and click on install. So in this way, we can install all the font together. So I hope that you find this video helpful. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content. And I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.